morning children. How are you all? Your Pushpanjali ma'am is back again with a new video in English. Do you all remember children? Those 5 special letters, the vowels, which are they? Yes. See here? Yes. That is A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels and you all are done with A sound words, E sound words, and today we are going to learn new words that is about I sound words. Yes children, can you recall which letter sounds what? Let's recall one time. Okay, A says A, E says A, I says E. Okay, you all remember? Isn't it nice? So let's start with I sound words. I sound words. Okay, see the images, the pictures. Okay, we will learn one by one. Yes, can you see this? What is it? Yes, it's a dustbin. We throw garbages and dirty things inside this. Okay, it's a dustbin, but here in our I sound words, we are going to learn it as bin. So let's learn. B says B, I says E, N says N. B, E, N. B, I, N. B-I-N, bin. Okay. See the next picture. What is it? Yes, it's a lovely fish. Okay. See children, a fish has 2 fins. Fins means wing-like wings, and a fish use it in swim. When it swims, no, it use its fin. So here we are going to learn the spelling. F says for, I says E, N says N. For, E, N. F, I, N. F-I-N, fin. Now next spelling is, yes, what is it? It's a lovely pin. We use it in our display board. Whenever we put something, some pictures on the display board, we put it through a pin. So let's learn the spelling. P says P, I says E, N says N. P, E, N. P, I, N. P-I-N, pin. Next picture is a tin. Okay, we store so many things, grains, rice, dal, and so many things inside this tin. Yes children? So let's learn the spelling. T says T, I says E, N says N. T, E, N. T, I, N. T-I-N, tin. So children, let's read all the spellings one more time. So B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. And P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. So children, can you guess? Can you see 2 letters are common over here like A sound words, E sound words? See here, I-N, in. I-N, in. I-N, in. I-N, in. So what can we make here? Yes, that's right. You can guess. It is I and rhyming words. So let's learn the I and rhyming words. I and rhyming words. So the first one is B-I-N, bin. Okay, we open it like this. Okay. So next is F-I-N, fin. Okay. Next P-I-N, pin. Next T-I-N, tin. Next is W-I-N, win. When we won some trophy, okay, before, okay, so that's we call win. We won the trophy like this, yes, so it's win. Now let's learn the I and rhyming words. So here B-I-N, bin, F-I-N, fin, P-I-N, pin, T-I-N, tin, W-I-N, win. Now let's learn I and rhyming words with the action. Let's start. I and rhyming words. B-I-N, bin, F-I-N, One more time, we repeat. What does I says? I says it. I says it. Okay? I sound words. First spelling is B I N bin. Now we'll draw the picture. Oval shape, standing line both the sides, slipping line, small rectangle, standing line, slipping line inside, another slanting line, big curve, small circle, and your bin is ready. Write 4 times. Now Fin, fin, slipping V, big curve, another curve, join, slanting line, then curve line, join, slanting line, curve line, slanting line, curve line, inside slanting slipping lines, big curve, small circle, dot. I is ready. Now big 2 curve lines, arrow mark. Now bubbles, 3 small circle, then dash, make water. Your fin is ready. Now write 4 times. Now I will write the spelling of pin. Okay, Pin, pin. Small circle, fill inside, slanting line, your pin is ready. Write 4 times. Now tin. Now slipping line, slanting line, slipping line, small standing line, and join with slanting slipping lines. Standing line, join with slanting line, slipping line, slipping curve, slipping, U curve, dot. Your tin is ready. Write 4 times. Now do the practice for all the drawings. I hope you all enjoyed the I sound words and IN rhyming words, and hope we will practice it eagerly.